back to WsCube Tech. So in our previous sessions, we have covered the topics of exception handling. Now today we will be talking about the problem solving related to the exceptions over here. So what I'll be doing basically that I have a whole calculator program. Now when you create a calculator program, you directly create it, right? When we created this mini calculator program, I just want to show this project to you.
Before that, if you want to become a successful data analyst and if you want to learn from our experts live, then you can call on the given number or you can fill the form that is provided in our description. Not just that, with our every batch, you will be getting 2 demo classes for free.
Now this was one of the project that we created, right? We created a mini calculator project, and if I run it, it does not have any error as such that if I write 1, if I try to, take a number, let's say 12, and if I write 2, so it will add the numbers for me, and if I write yes, in that case, it will again ask me for a number. But what if I write hello over here? What if the user write hello over there? In that case, what it will do, it will throw the error and it will stop our program over there, right? That there is a value error over here. So let me run this once again. So what I'll do, I'll write over here. This time I'll go for the zero division error. So I'll choose division over here, write a number, let's say 10 divided by 0. And it will throw me an error that it is a zero division error. Now we don't know that at times user might make any mistakes, right? So that means our program is not foolproof. That means when the user will execute this program, there are chances that they can make mistakes, right? So at that time, our program will stop over here. What we need to do, we need to make our program error-free. For making it error-free, what I'll be doing, I'll be applying the method of try and except inside the calculator so that every time an error occurs, it will throw the error to the user in the form of a print statement that you have made a mistake inside a program and do you want to try again, and then it will repeat the whole program once again. So for that, what I'm gonna do, first of all, I'll copy this whole program from here and shift it to my problem solving part. So here we have got this program. Now what I need to do, I need to use try and accept. But where do I need to use this try and accept? First of all, let's do one thing, let's put it inside a function. So I'll be putting the whole program inside a function over here. So I'll be creating a function called as definition calc. So this is the name of my function. I'll put a colon over here and store all my data inside this. So that while calling the function would be easy over here. So shifting all the data inside this. After this, what I'll do, I'll use the concept of try and accept. Now how to use the concept of try and accept over here? I'll be putting that try over here because from the choice only the error kind of things will start occurring. From here only that person can start making an error over here, right? So what I'll be doing, I'll be writing try over here and put my whole data inside it. Now this is our try part, that there can be error anywhere in this part, right? After this, what we need to do, because for the accept, what we need to write over here, let's see that I'll be writing accept. Let me just check the alignment. So the alignment is not correct. So I'll be writing accept over here. Inside the accept, what we need to do, we need to write that what error it could be. Now it could be a zero division error, or a person would have written a string inside it, or any kind of error might occur over here, right? Now we cannot write the errors directly over here that it is a zero division error, because what if it's a string error, that means the person has written a string, that means it's a value error and it shows the zero division error over there. Or what if it's a zero division error but it shows the value error over here. So to avoid that, what I'll be doing, I'll be creating a customized message over here that I'll be writing print you have entered incorrect information, and another print statement that would say kindly try again. So I'll be writing kindly comma try again, right? After doing this, what we need to do over here, after writing print statement, we will be asking for repeat, because right now what will happen, even if I run the program, because it's a function over here, we need to call it. So let me just call it quickly. That calc I'll be writing and start open close the parentheses, and now if I run it, so it would look like this, that press 1 for addition, 2 for subtraction, multiplication, division, enter your choice. If I write 1, enter a number here. So if I write hello, it will handle the error over here that you have entered incorrect information, kindly try again. After this, directly the list is coming. What if a person does not want to try again? So for that, what we can do, we can add a repeat statement over here, that repeat 2 is equals to input do you want to try again, question mark. And if the users want to try again, in that case what we will do, so if repeat 2 is equals to no, small n no, or repeat 2 is equal to capital N no. In that condition, we will break the loop, else the loop will continuously keep going. So let me run it once again and show it to you that what would happen in this case. So here enter your choice. Let's say we have written 1. Enter a number here. Let's say I have written hello. It would say you have entered incorrect information. Kindly try again. Now it asks, do you want to try again? If I will say yes, then again it will give me press 1 for addition, 2 for subtraction, 3 for multiplication, 4 for division. So I'll write 4, that is for the division. Again purposely I will make an error over here, that I'll write 0. And it says you have entered incorrect information, kindly try again. This time if I write no, it will end my program over here, that it won't continue from here. So this is what we have done basically, that we have handled every error that can possibly come inside the calculator, and then we have written that you have entered, because the error is not happening from our end, the error is happening from the user's end. That's why what will happen over here, that every time user will write any incorrect information, it will display that you have entered incorrect information, kindly try again. And then it will ask as well that do you want to try again, and the repeat is no. In that case the break statement will be used. Lastly, we have to call the program in this way so that it works. So I hope guys that the concept of try and except is clear over here. Inside the try we have to keep a block of code which might throw an error, and inside the except we have to write that once the error comes what should happen, how it should be handled. So this is our try and except method. I hope you guys have no doubts and no questions. In our next session we will be starting with a new topic. So stay connected guys, and I'll see you in the next session. Thank you.